Yes, we're going to have an AI first operating system. Save this video and revisit it in the next 18 months and you're going to see that I was right. If you think you're going to use this Windows, iOS and Chrome OS in the next 10 or 20 years, then you're definitely joking. The only operating system that can survive the AI world is Ubuntu, and that's because Ubuntu runs on the cloud servers. In an AI first OS, you're going to have a giant AI model. This giant AI model is smart enough to converse with you or embed into a simple hardware. This giant AI model is able to build you what we call a disposable app. A disposable app is that kind of app where you can just prompt it, it builds it for you, and when you're done with it, you delete it. For example, if you're going on your next holiday, you can say, hey GPT, build me a budgeting app for my next holiday. This giant AI model is able to access bookings.com API and book you a flight. It's also going to be able to access Airbnb API and book you a space to sleep or a hotel. When you're done with your holiday, you can just dispose or delete the app. That's the experience we're going to have. And this is the reason why big brands like Microsoft, Meta, Amazon, and of course Google are racing to partner with these AI models. Of course, at the moment, Microsoft, Google, and Amazon had invested in OpenAI, Mistral, and of course, Anthropic. Also, others have invested in Cohere. That's because these guys are building a model that's more powerful than what they have right now. The only problem is we're going to lose our privacy. That's the big problem. You know, when you have like giant AI model that understands all the data in your computer, or they understand all the data on your phone, that's going to be a big problem. So the first company that's going to build that AI first hardware is going to win. I don't know how it's going to be, but sincere apologies for where Apple is right now. Apple is where BlackBerry was in 2010 or thereabout. This is a tipping point, and in the next 18 months, if Apple don't make a decision, if anyone builds that hardware that users adopt massively, then Apple is going to be a problem. Apple already made a mistake of not building a cloud infrastructure between 2007 and 2011. So then they are also making a mistake of not building an AI model right now. So apart from the M series chip that Apple had built in the last 4 or 5 years, Apple had not innovated since Steve Jobs left. So they're going to be in big problem. But Microsoft, Google, Amazon, and Meta, they are partnering with the current AI models because they know what's coming on board. So if you're going to have anything out of this video, understand that we're going to have an AI first operating system. We're going to have an agent marketplace where you're going to acquire some disposable premium AI agent, and of course you're going to have disposable app. So the apps of the future, the hardware of the future, is going to be in your glasses, it's going to be in some smartphones that you're going to have, and of course it's going to be like in your watch, etc.